Okay. Where are we? 14024 is my room number. I just want to see out this window though. We're at Vdara. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Nice. We're at Vdara for Super Bowl Sunday. 14024. 14024. 14024 is way down here. On the end? Nice. If it's on the end, it's freaking awesome. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. $14. 024. Vdara. Come on. I got bags. 14024. 14024. There we go. We are in. Oh. There's a kitchen. Let me get some bags down. Let me find some lights. Grab the rest of these bags. Okay. There we go. Where the heck are we? Ooh. Hello. Full stand-up fridge. Full stand-up fridge. Let's fill that with banquet. Do not touch. Beautiful. Four burner. Beautiful. Convection. Beautiful. Coffee. Thanks. Beautiful. Okay. Let's go this way. Oh, beautiful. $72 is just fine. Oh, beautiful. Getting spoiled at Vdara. Spoiled. Spoiled at Vdara. Wow. Oh, every room has its own thermostat. Oh, you guys. Look at this. Beautiful. Whoa. How freaking huge is this room? Unreal. Unreal. I love it. I love it. Whoa, it's massive. fuck am I? Holy smokes. What? Insane. You could almost get lost in here. That's a nice touch. I do like those. Where the heck are we? Oh, my slippers. And robes. Heck, yes, please. Now, we're in the kitchen again. Look at that. Uh-huh. So you close this door. There. You're in the kitchen again. Whoa. Living room there. Kitchen. Bathroom. Living room. Oh my goodness. No way. Have I found the safe? I don't think I found the safe. And nope. Nope. Huh. Safe's probably in the bedroom, I guess. Oh. What a room. What an insane room. Maybe there's no safe. Should be a safe, you'd think. Huh. Okay, let's get some of these blinds open here. Do another walk around here. What's this? Shade. Blackout. Up. Oh, that'll just do bathroom. Crazy. Hello, Rio. Wow. Oh, I keep forgetting where I am. Like, where the heck? Okay. Shade. Blackout. Up. Oh, that does that all. Insane. Shade. Blackout. That does this wall. Oh. So you got Bellagio pool right there. Hello, Bellagio. Use a little oil up there. It's squeaking. Then you got Chelsea pool right there. Cosmo. Yeah, insane. Look at this view. That's freaking awesome. It's gonna look awesome at night. When you go into here, shade, blackout. It does that wall. Insane. Then you do shade, blackout. I'll do that wall. How many flipping walls do I have here? Wow. That's insane. Wow. Like, totally. Freaking awesome. Woo!